coming and watching this video again. I remain your humble self, Amofa. Welcome, bienvenidos, and no. So on today's video, I'm going to be doing a review of something that a friend of mine gave me. Her name is Wendy. I met her here. She started following my Instagram page and we became friends. So she gave me this Colourpop Super Shock Shadow, and I've never tried anything like this, so I was like, okay, well, since it's Colourpop, and you know I do love Colourpop, like in all my videos at least there is one Colourpop product mentioned. So this is what it is. Can you see it? It's a liquid eyeshadow and it's in this bronzy golden type of color, which is really pretty. The packaging does remind me of the concealer, so let me show you both of them side by side. So it does have a similar packaging, so I'm gonna try it out in this video. Hope you guys like it. First thing I'm gonna do is prime my face using the Angel Veil primer from NYX. Now I'm gonna go in with my setting powder, and I'm just going to put it all over my face, as I'm going to be out for a long time today. I just want the makeup to stay. Now I'm going to conceal my dark circles using the LA Girl Pro Orange Corrector. Just going to blend that out using a flat brush. Now I'm taking my Colourpop concealer in the color 46. Using the original beauty blender, the original one, I'm going to blend everything out. Pop's Match Stick Foundation in the color, well, it's Deep Dark 197. Taking my Laura Mercier setting powder, dab it into the powder and set the rest of my face. So in line with the whole Colourpop, using as much Colourpop products as possible, I'm going to use my Colourpop brow pencil in the color Black Brown. This is like one of my favorite eyebrow pencils. So it has a spoolie here. I'm going to brush up my brows. They usually do for our brows. Under my brows using the same concealer in the color 46. Colourpop Perception palette in conjunction with Shayla. And the first color I'm going to use is this color called Culture here. And I'm going to use it to set my brow bone. Then I'm going to go in the color Thick, this orangey color, over my whole eyelid. Out is a brown color here, and I'm going to concentrate it into my crease, patting it in. Okay, let's take Stallion. I think this liquid color will be good to see if it can make a cut crease for you without using a concealer. So I'm going to take Stallion and I'm going to pack it onto my crease. Going in with this brush to blend it out. It does have the same applicator as the concealer. Now Wendy did warn me that it dries really fast, so no talking here. I'm going to try and do it as quickly as possible. Is too big to allow me to go into to cut the crease well, so I'm going to use a brush. I'm going to use an angle brush, synthetic, pick up some product. Glide on very well. Now I'm just gonna, I put my lashes on. I used my Bees lashes. This one is in Venus. Bees lashes in Venus. Now I'm just gonna apply some eyeshadow to my bottom line. I'm gonna go back in with Stallion. Then I'm gonna put mascara. Then I'm gonna finish up this look. I must say it is really pretty, but I do have some observations. using my Colourpop highlighter. This is Shayla's conjunction with Colourpop in the color Pussy. I'm just gonna highlight my face. With the color wax, it's a deep reddish, brownish color. Then I'm gonna take the lipstick in Come On Sis. Okay, well, it's not bad. Okay, I have some visitors here. Where's your daddy? Where's your daddy? Will you allow me to finish my video without talking or interrupting? Come on, say hello. Say hello. 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 Okay, so I finished the look. I do want to say that it did come out really beautiful. Like, it really does look beautiful on my eye, but it dries too quickly. It dries way too quickly, so it doesn't give you enough time to move it around or to blend. Blending in a color after you've applied it is terrible because it's gonna start breaking off, and if you didn't put anything under your eyes, you're gonna have fallout, a lot of fallout under your eyes. I do love it. I do think it would be really pretty, like a Cleopatra kind of look, because it is a really beautiful color. It doesn't really show like it does here on my eyes. I would like it in another color, maybe like champagne or a frosty pink or a silver. I think it would be really beautiful. I wouldn't apply it on top of my eyeshadow because it will take away whatever you put there. It's gonna obscure the color. You're not gonna see it again. It is much cheaper than the Stila products. I'll put the price on the screen. I'm not yet sure how much it does cost, but I'm sure it's cheaper than Stila. All in all, it is a nice product. Will I use it to cut my crease? You know how people use glitters to cut their crease, to give it like a different definition? You won't be able to use this because it dries too quickly. I don't know whether it's because the AC is directly over my head and that caused it. I did find it hard to get it onto the applicator. I had to like swirl it around. But all in all, I really do like the way it came out. I think the look came out really nice. So yeah, I would recommend it, but it has its pros and its cons. It does give a pop to any color or any look. Cons, it does dry super fast. I don't know how long it would last you if you use it regularly. Don't apply it on top of your eyeshadows because it's gonna take away whatever you put there unless you do that intentionally. For the price, it's not bad. And yes, thank you, Wendy, for giving this to me and allowing me to try this out. I really do appreciate it. So that's my review on the Colourpop Super Shadow Shock. But all in all, thank you guys for watching. Do like, share, subscribe. If you have anything you want me to do, leave a comment for me in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in my next video.